Today morning, I happened to witness something truly fascinating. A mother parrot feeding neem leaves to her baby, and what amazed me even more was the care with which she did it, breaking the leaves into tiny pieces, chewing them, and then regurgitating and feeding. Motherhood is thoughtful everywhere. But feeding bitter neem leaves? Perhaps nature already knows what is best. Maybe neem for immunity, gut health, or deworming. A beautiful reminder that love and care speak the same language in every species. Don't you think so?